very, very specific, and it's an emotional product to the public. And the gold loans, wherever banks are giving to the public, should be safeguarded in terms of public and also to the banks, so that this mission is solving both the problems of customers and also the bankers' trust. Right now, this mission is deployed and developed through latest AI technology, and also gold is being purity checked with XRF spectrometer, where the normal all the jewelry shops are using the gold testing purity measures. The same technology we are using, but on a different scale, that is on a different micron thickness we are using it. We are using the highest standard of 50 microns detections of gold. Where AI is playing a game is, gold can be detected automatically on 5 different points automatically. That is a very, very specific and unique thing. No human intervention is happening here, and gold loans can be dispensed within 8 to 10 minutes of time. This is the first time. With all these purity measures, quality checks, KYC checks, CIBIL check, crime check, and gold purity testing, automatically this gold can pack automatically, it go to the safe locker for the customers and also to the bank. Then money will be dispensed to their account automatically, or they can withdraw cash from the machine itself. That's why this machine is called as a gold loan dispensing ATM machine. This is a machine that can work like a normal ATM also. Okay.
Sir, up to now, how many missions are there in here?
This is the first mission, and the Central Bank of India, Warangal is taking the pride, and this is an historic moment. Warangal people, Telangana people should take this pride, and we need to say we have done to the world Make in India product.
Why you chosen only Warangal from Hyderabad?
It is an emotion from the Central Bank of India Managing Director and the CEO Mr. M.V. Rao that it has to be launched only in Warangal. And we took the pride to deliver it in Warangal district for Central Bank of India.
Further, you will send them to all banks?
Yes, we have a very, very big scale of volume to be deployed across Central Bank of India and other banks also. And we will be deploying to most of the big gold loan branches across India.
Sir, what about your company profile to contact?
Is it a sustainable mission or is it made in Japan or Germany?
No. This is completely made in India product. I am the manufacturer, I am the developer, and I am the patent holder in the world. So that I take this pride, how Warangal Central Bank of India has taken the pride of launching the mission to the public. Today, the same pride I am taking, saying that I am the first person to do it, launch it, and deploy it.
So which cost is machine cost?
Pricing starting from 14 lakhs to 26 lakhs. We have different models based on banks and based on customers. The pricings will vary.
To contact your details, sir.
My website is goldpay.co.in, and from that website you can log in, you can get my number and get the product details, everything.
Sir, about any profile? You are from any relatives and
Yes. Myself from the diploma to MBA, and now I am an IIM graduate from Kozhikode, especially on FinTech program. FinTech is a program with the latest technologies of encryptions, algorithms, artificial intelligence, machine learning programs. I have already did my studies. And apart from it, I am a certified PMP professional in the Gulf countries.
What about customer service?
Customer service, the machine is self-automated actually. Every 24 hours once machine can able to do the calibration automatically. That's what we have designed it, so that we don't want to deploy separate manpower for calibration of the machines.
how many languages it can be?
It is completely customizable. As I said, this machine we have only developed it so that it is completely customizable. Consider if they want Orissa, or if they want some Sikkim language, or some North Indian or Kashmiri also, if they want it, we can customize it and we can do it.